SpongeBob Squarepants.
I love SpongeBob! Oh, yeah!
SpongeBob Squarepants.
到家了，我要让朋友来接。
I'm a SpongeBob fan.
SpongeBob Squarepants.
People got an option of watching the news or watching SpongeBob. I think it's pretty clear the choice that they're going to end up making.
You want to watch SpongeBob?
Squarepants? Yep. SpongeBob Squarepants.
Reporting for duty, Mr. Krabs.
Is SpongeBob SquarePants supposed to be terrifying?
You're darn right he is.
I know he likes SpongeBob.
He loves SpongeBob.
So, it's true!
How did you find out? We're not finished yet!
It's kinda hard to explain.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
Some big TV news. Please remain seated. Nickelodeon just renewed SpongeBob SquarePants for a 9th season. You can tell SpongeBob is getting grown up because he wants to be called Sponge Robber.